Good afternoon, this is Sean with Tip Top Yard Maintenance. We're out here at the Almsville house. Been out here for 3 days. We just finished, so let's see what we got. So let's start over here. We went ahead and put it in our black edging and our gravel pathway here for the side of the house for the customer. Moving on to this side, we've got our signature red fir bark dust that we put down. Underneath the bark dust, we went ahead and put down our signature landscaping cloth. The bark dust and all the plants were provided by Gittner's Gardens out south, Salem. We went ahead and put in a nice lawn here. As you can see, it's beautiful with our, again, edging to go around. The sod that we got was from Kinsey Turf out of Salem, Oregon as well. As you can see, it's a pretty beautiful, nice landscape. Moving on here, we've got a gravel pad here as well that we put in for the customer. Over here, we got our 2-inch round river rock, which was provided by Gittner's Gardens as well. Beautiful rock to have out there. It really made a difference on filling in the flagstone. The flagstone we got here is Autumn Gold, provided by Highway Fuel, based out of Salem, Oregon as well. As you can see here, we have more plants, more bark dust. Everything underneath the rock and the flagstone is our signature ground cover. Over here, we have our cedar raised beds. The cedar boards were provided by Kilgore Blackmans. And this soil, which is our compost topsoil mix, was provided by Gittner's Gardens as well. It's great for cedar raised beds. So as you can see, this is the finished product. If you're looking to have your yard put in tip-top shape, just give us a call.